What if this Ramadan is your last chance to come back to Allah? What if this Ramadan could change your life forever? But only if you don't waste it. Every year Ramadan comes, and every year Ramadan leaves. But ask yourself honestly, did it really change you? Or did it pass just like the others? Fasting, iftar, sleep, and back to the same life? This Ramadan can be different. This Ramadan can be the one Allah changed your heart. Start with a real intention. The first step to making this Ramadan the best of your life is not more worship, it's a real intention. Don't say, I want rewards. Say instead, Ya Allah, I want you. When your intention is Allah, even small action become massive in reward. Build a simple Quran relationship. You don't need to finish the Quran 10 times. You need to feel the Quran once. Even one page a day. Read it slowly. Let it talk to you. This is the month when the Quran came down. Let it come down into your heart too. Live on sin for the sake of Allah. Don't try to become perfect this Ramadan. Choose one sin, just one, and say, Ya Allah, I am living this for you. When Allah sees sincerity, He opens doors you never imagined. One dua that you repeat every day. Make one dua your companions this Ramadan. For example, Ya Allah, don't let Ramadan end without changing my heart. Repeat it in sujood. Repeat it before iftar. Repeat it with tears. Allah loves a servant who keeps asking. Consistency over perfection. You will feel tired. Some days you will feel weak. Don't quit. Allah does not want perfection. Allah loves consistency. Even if we fall, come back. Coming back to Allah is itself an act of worship. We are not guaranteed another Ramadan. Many people fast with us last year. They are not here today. If Allah gave you this Ramadan, it means He wants you back. Don't let this Ramadan pass like a routine. Let it be a return. Let it be a beginning. Maybe this Ramadan is the one Allah writes your name among those He loves. Make it count. Ya Allah, allow us to reach Ramadan. Accept it from us. And don't let us leave Ramadan the same way we entered it. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it.